Yes, start.
Amanya gange nze Tusiime Ronald. My channel is Simple Electronics Phone Repairing Radio and TVTC. Today I want to show you how you can repairing a phone using candle if you don't have electricity. So you can remove all the components of the phone when you are using a candle without the power. Now let me show you. You open it slowly. So you have at first you have to remove this one, because if you put it the fire it can burn it, so you have to remove it. Lift like this. So this is mouthpiece, this is speaker, this is charging system, this is line port. So let's remove this. So now it has start to remove everything with using candle. Now bring the matchbox, do this, bring the candle, then we are starting to remove everything using the candle. If you don't have power, you can work. So you put it, you measure like 1 inch to put a fire. You do this, wait within a few minutes, you can remove. We are moving one, everything, then we finished without power. Yes. You see, this is charging system. We have removed it. This is earphone port. We have removed it.
Yeah, good.
Stop it. Ready?
Gigi.